Margaret, and I'm going to teach you how to do an R sound so that it will go into conversation, how to carry it over from a single word into conversation. This is where we have the hardest challenge. Yes, indeed. So I told you in a previous video, to get the R sound is to stretch the tongue, okay? I said, open your mouth really wide. I said, show a little bit of your upper and lower teeth. Get the corners out. Stretch the neck. Stretch the face. Reach up and hold that tongue for 2 or 3 minutes. I said to do this 5 times per day for at least 2 weeks. It might even take you a couple months. But each time you practice an R word, stretch your tongue and then immediately try to say the R word. See if that tongue stretching can activate that tongue muscle to work a little bit harder, okay? Now, the first thing I believe in is teaching with blends. Blends. We have a lot of blends with R's in them. Being that R is one of the most frequently occurring sounds, I think blends are very important because they're challenging. The more challenging, the more likely, if you master it, you can overcome that R sound. So I do believe in teaching blends. Now, I always have kids say it 3 times. Grrr, pause, een. And I write it out this way so that someone can see that we're lengthening, pausing, and lengthening the vowel. Grrr, een. Grrr, een. Grrr, een. And we're going to say it exaggerated like that. That's not how you normally would say it. I hope you wouldn't walk around saying, I have a grr, een, cur, aon. So, let's go to the next level. That's too easy. So, we're going to take a stopwatch. We're going to take a timer. We're going to take a stopwatch, whatever we can from a phone. And we're going to reset this. And we're going to set it to 0. We're going to say these 3 words as fast as we can, 3 times, with 100% accuracy in less than 1 second. So, we're going to go this. Watch. Gurring, gurring, gurring. I did it in 0.80 seconds. Now, if I can get my tongue moving like that, it will work a little bit better, more efficiently in conversational speech. So let me put down the phone for just a second. The next word would be tree, like a tree. Tree, tree, tree. Again, don't do the stopwatch. Let's do the timer, and let's find seconds. So we'll put everything down to 0, and we'll go put it on 1 second. The bell rings. I did it too slowly, so we're going to say tree 3 times, but we're going to exaggerate it. We're not going to say tree, tree, tree. We're going to say tur-e, 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 but in 1 second with 100% accuracy. Tur-e, tur-e, tur-e. Ah, I beat the bell. You get the picture? Fast. Speed, right? Speed and accuracy. The next one is burring, burring, burring. Can we pick up our handy little timer? Set it at 1 second. Push start and start talking as soon as you push that button. Burring, burring, burring. Oh, I beat it. So, I won. Well, now let's try something a little bit harder. Let's take 2 of those words. Do them 3 times each in 2 seconds. Here they are. Go. Gurring, 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 turry, turry, turry. Beat the bell. What do you think I'm going to do next? Well, I'll put on 3 seconds. Here we go. Gurring, 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 turry, 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 burring, burring, burring. And I beat it. And guess what? This doesn't just have to be done with R's. It can be done with THs. It can be done with S's. It can be done with L's. Amazingly, speed and accuracy make it more integrated into conversational speech. Here's one with TH. Thurry, 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 thurry. And then we have the L. Let. 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 And again, timer on. 1 second. 3 words. As fast as you can, perfectly. 3, 3, 3. And each time you have to beat the bell. Thanks. Hope you practice.